How to buy zoraterminal token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before you invest in any new project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created, as you can see, 18 hours ago and increased by 31,000% in the last 24 hours. And the market cap it's $1.9 million. And this token trending number 2 in the base section on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open the Bitget wallet. For that, now go to your wallet, and from the top price corner, click here and make sure to select the base network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token on the search bar. As you can see, this our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and click on the search icon and type it in the search. As you can see, zoraterminal, like that. So as you can see, so if you don't find it, just you can zoraterminal, sorry. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. Now click on swap. Now make sure to select from the top the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and now you can type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive. I'll start, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy zoraterminal token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.